Meanwhile, an Aberdeen woman who took part in a clinical trial for the Novavax vaccine says she feels let down as her certification is not recognised outside the UK. Michaela Hernichova was one of 15,000 people to be double-jagged with the unapproved vaccine. Brandon Cook reports.
I would be so relieved if someone could just tell me anything. It's just been a lot of question marks.
Michaela thought it was a citizen's duty when she rolled up her sleeve for a vaccine trial. At the time, 3 jags had not long been rubber stamped, and the race for more was such that it surely was just a matter of time before the one she was trialling was rolled out too. But 7 months on, Michaela is still waiting. She may have both vaccines in the UK, but in the eyes of other countries, she doesn't.
At no point was I ever given the idea that we would not be considered vaccinated in other governments' eyes. And I thought, if the vaccination does not end up getting approved, I thought I would be offered the NHS-approved vaccine. But the problem is that I am not eligible for that because the UK government sees me as vaccinated. So I cannot get an extra vaccine that would then let me go into other countries.
More than 15,000 people took part in the Novavax trial UK-wide, who could soon be facing similar issues. Michaela would like to visit her family in the Czech Republic, but without an approved shot in her arm, she'd be subject to stricter rules and restrictions.
It's really a hard line for me to be told, you have to pay so much more extra and quarantine for 7 days or more because you were in a trial. If I just waited, I would have been fine.
We contacted numerous departments and organisations, including both the UK and Scottish governments, the NHS and vaccine makers Novavax. All acknowledged the issue, but none were able to provide definitive solutions. Meanwhile, the EU told us it was entirely up to member states whether they waive restrictions for those with unapproved vaccines.
There has been a lot of, we're not sure yet, we do not know yet, it might be in the future.
For Michaela and thousands like her, any answers can't come quickly enough.
It would be great if someone could just give me something concrete, something that I can then set my hopes on.
Brandon Cook, STV News.